The top of the world. A primitive land where only the bravest of men dare step foot. There are no streets, no buildings, no timekeepers. The only laws are those of nature. And yet, there are kings. They are the world's largest land predators, the polar bears. See them at the Cincinnati Zoo's newest attraction, Kroger, Lords of the Arctic. An exhibit inspired by the lands overlooking the Arctic, complete with rocky cliffs, dramatic waterfalls, and cavernous pools. From an underwater view, you'll see these 1,500-pound white giants as no sane person ever should, face to face. It may be the closest to royalty you'll ever get. Explore a world of wonder. Explore the Cincinnati Zoo.